Ah,
Who should be high every time? Ha.
I feel like eating there is a movie.
If not be say you be adult, the kind slap who I forgive you. If not be say you be my husband. You want semo this morning.
I feel like eating some, I'm telling you.
They do like baby. I want jamo.
I feel like eating some.
I bet eating. This one a breakfast for
So
everybody.
now water now. Before you know it now, go and piece everything away.
Why they always dey complain? Be grateful.
Uh-uh.
Hey.
When I give you money to do something for me, you do it for me. Do exactly what I want. I will not complain.
Yeah, eat this one. Eat this one.
Not that I give you money to do something, you go go and go short corner. Short way where it will be easy for you, and where the money where you save money.
Your meat na this one that they eat in the morning.
You say your mate, I'm not.
To be healthy.
I'm doing hard work. I'm working a lot. I work so much.
Eating.
No. This is where water. After taking this and finish now, if I go outside there and I piece everything away. I piece everything now. No. My stomach is empty again. Huh?
Wait, no worry, you shop some more later.
You make some more for me later.
Now, why? No, let some more in the shop. I'll come back for work. I'll make some more for you. You come back, you go work. Oh, you mean I go work, but I'll still come back, come make some more every day.
Okay, that one na work.
Not be work.
What of me if I just come back here? You run enter house, leave all the children for me. I'll feed all of them before I sleep. Sometimes we will dey where we are eating till 11 o'clock. Till 11 o'clock before I sleep.
They don't agree. They'll say that they wait for their papa. I'm waiting for my father to
Then
come
why
back.
complaining now? Me and you now, who they do the hard work?
No one will be my job.
Who is doing the hard work now to among two of
Now
us?
that be the problem. They'll say that they wait for their papa for them to eat. So it's not my problem. So you say he came. This girl, I'll slap you one day.
You need to just see me come back from work. We are the next day, boom, you enter house. Begin sleep like a camel.
It's your food. You do the complain.
I think I'm short. You want make some more for me, oh. If you don't make some more for me, yeah, I know where I get you now.
I know why he can always walk because he always makes money.
You keep quiet.
He makes more money than you, Mama.
That's why I'm the
And that's why he buys
king.
this house.
Yeah,
Shut up.
I'm
Go.
the king of the house.
You talk too much.
No, I don't.
Nobody call you here. I did not mention your name.
Yeah, but I was eating here.
Have you finished eating?
Yeah.
You can go. Ciao.
Because you need to eat this.
What did that one come in now? Me, I come the jealous and waiting. Holy Ghost fire. Don't worry, you talk who will buy something for you again.
Who will buy with?
Eat them.
Who will buy with you?
All of them like on papa. Me when they do everything for inside house, cook for now, buy for now. Do everything.
They be the bag they make money. Don't be me. Don't be the bag they make money. Talk.
Not be me they carry their bring their clothes when you want wear them. You go fit find their clothes. If you go there, go to arrange them. What did they do? I go arrange all their clothes, make their food down. Like just to back them, they wear their clothes. So
I wake up early morning. I give them food. The one that wants to take their breakfast, I give them. I brush
the
their
breakfast
teeth.
not be me do am.
I brush their teeth. I bath them. I wear
Mama,
their clothes.
off that speaker. Off it.
Take them to school.
Bakula, off the speaker.
That job, you don't know
Off
what
the
it's
speaker.
the job I'm doing early morning before I go to my main work. You don't know that one is more than
Oh yeah, off it, but my
you don't know that is more than a half a mini job. I supposed to be collecting 500 and something euro every month. Yes.
For who?
I'm just saying now for you to know
Not your picking.
how hard is the job.
I go arrange all the clothes, arrange their food. I'll come go work, uncle. I'll come back, make una food, do everything, clean the house again. No, that will not be work. No, not their preference. You come back, I'm serving you, serve your children.
My guy, it's not easy, I'm telling you.
Okay.
It's not easy.
They
It's not easy.
complain.
This country, eh?
No, nobody to help.
This country is not easy. No brother, no sister. No relative to help.
To even bring them our wahala. Huh?
It's not easy.
I just tired. They just dey chop person money up and down. You no go get head.
So I don't listen to all this nonsense. I remember
Na all those small one when dey down.
sometimes Africa with the hungry me.
All those jara when they dey.
It's too bad. Go it now.
Can you not off the speaker?
Emmanuel,
Yeah, off it now.
go off it. And don't tell you to eat your food. Now.
Off it now. They say it's your fault. It's your fault. They don't want to off it. Akara wanted to sell for Nigeria. You see all those jara when they put all those small ones. Yeah, they like them. That jara won't be like pieces. Ah. You go to make chocolate.